Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to film this video. Why? Because it is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of August. And this is that new month where they're doing stuff a little bit different with the IPSY Glam Bag. So I can't wait to get in here. And I got this rather early. And last month, it was really on my nerves. IPSY was really on my last nerve. So I'm really glad that I got it early this month. So I have nothing to complain about. Let's get into it, guys. Right now, right here on Unfiltered 50s. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you go ahead and take just a minute. It don't take long and it's free. Hit that big red subscribe button down below and become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you don't miss a thing. Let's tear into this puppy. I may have peeked already. So, you know me, I'm so nosy. I can't wait. So let's see what we got. Here is that new little bag. It's really pretty. It's got all of this glittery writing that says IPSY on it, but the bag's not very big. Like, you're not going to be putting your gym bags, your gym clothes in this bag, people. Not happening. But you do get that little bag. What are we going to use that for? Somebody come up with some ideas, because it's really too little to put anything in. Like, we're going to have some ideas for that. And then inside the bag is just free floating is the eyeshadow palette that I chose. So anyway, and then there's the bag. Okay, so one, we have the Venice Fling by BAILEYSARIAN and Estate Cosmetics. So this is a pretty big eyeshadow palette. I would say it's kind of on par with maybe a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. Pretty big. So it's a little bit bigger than what I was thinking ColourPop. That's what I was thinking. I was thinking it was going to be the size of a ColourPop palette, because it is a 9-pan palette. So that's kind of what I was equating it to, but really it's on par with a 9-pan Juvia's Place palette. But I'm really in love with the shades in this. So let's see, let's get some swatches here. I've got Soul, a real pretty peach called Bonfire, Rose Tattoo, Tan Lines. That's pretty good. Ooh, this one feels really buttery. Oh yeah, this one's called Ocean Avenue. Hopefully you can see just how metallic that is. And then Toasty is kind of a brick color, terracotta color. Then a really pretty purple color called Roller Skates. Puppy Love, and Venice Fling. So, Roller Skates, Puppy Love, and Venice Fling. So there's the whole palette. So I think the palette is really, really pretty. I'm hoping that it goes on the eyes as well as it swatches. It feels really good. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The purple roller skates and the Venice Fling, which is this dark color here, and the roller skates here, well, even this puppy love right here, I'm just living for that. I did film this eye look. So if you're wondering about this eye look, it is coming. This is, I believe, a $30 palette. Don't know that I paid $30 for it, but it is a $30 palette. Our card does not have any prices on it. So then this 111 Skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster. I have not been that impressed by 111 Skin products. Let me see if I can find prices on my app. I know that this is supposed to be really expensive. All 111 Skin products seem to be expensive. I want to say this was over $100. No way would I pay that. Yeah, $135 is the full size MSRP. No way. It revs up your skin cells and encourages the flow of oxygen to make your skin look wide awake and glowy. I don't even know if I'll try this. I did not pick this. They picked this for me. And the palette was $30. Yes, it was. Then they also picked for me the Real Beauty for Real Shadow Stick 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo in Midnight Marathon. And this is a $38 value. And it has a reflective topaz. They are super creamy for smooth application, no extra tools needed, and it's infused with metafoam seed oil and chamomile to hydrate, soothe, and calm delicate skin around the eyes. So they, like I said, they did pick this for me, so let's look here. I know I like the Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks, and I am a huge nude stick fan. So let's see. Oh, that does feel good. Easy to blend. Okay, so here's what one color looks like. Very easy to blend. Very nice. Okay, I actually like these. And, oh, this is a beautiful color. This reminds me of one of the colors, maybe Bet, from the Charlotte Tilbury cream shadows. Right here. Beautiful. Very, very easy to blend. Oh, I like these. These are nice. Okay, winter chicken dinner. I love these two products. So they hit a home run out of the park with that. Okay, very, very nice. Very nice. I like those products a lot. I will have to use those and let you know what I think after using them on my eyes, but yeah, very, very, very pretty. Like that very, very much. Okay, then I have, I chose this. This is the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder from Ciate London. And it's just a powder. I have a lot of powder. I probably won't swatch this right now. I'm not sure whether I will use this or pass this on, but it does have, it's a full-size MSRP $28. It says the powder sets to a weightless second skin finish that prolongs the wear time It's infused with antioxidant-rich vitamin E to protect the skin from environmental aggressors like damaging pollution and blue light. I don't have any of my add-ons in here. Don't they usually ship with? Or are they shipping separate? Because none of my add-ons are in this bag. So I wonder what's up with that. I ordered 3 add-ons and they're not in here. I guess I'll have to contact IPSY about that. But none of my add-ons are in here. Okay, and then I chose the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. And this is an MSRP of $22. And, oh, yeah, okay, this is awesome. It has a very tiny little spoolie on it. I love Wander Beauty products, except for their eyeshadow. But all of these type of products I really, really like, so I'm anxious to try this. And I think I'm going to like this very, very much. So I wonder what happened to my add-ons. So has anybody gotten their Glam Bag Plus, and where's your add-ons? Were they in the bag? Because mine aren't. So yeah, man, that's gonna tick me off if my add-ons didn't, like, that's what I get IPSY for, is for the add-ons, not really what's in my bag. So, oh, that's just gonna irritate me to no end. Ugh. Yeah. So, anyway, okay, well, let's see, what are my favorite things? Surprisingly, I really, really am anxious to try these. Love this. Really excited to see how I'm going to like it. But I love the teeny, 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 tiny spoolie on this. Really excited. I think I will end up loving this. Most of the time, anything from Wander that is mascara or eyebrows, I love from Wander. And I really, really am shocked at how large this eyeshadow palette is, and I'm just taken aback by it, and I love it. I love the colors in it. I'm really excited to have this. So these are super duper home runs for me. These 3 products, I'm really stoked about that. So loving that. Love, love, love. And as far as this, not impressed. And this, I have so many powders, I don't need a powder. But out of the category that we had to choose from, there was nothing else in that category that I would have even thought of choosing. So that's why I chose this, and I will put this in a giveaway for someone else who may need a powder. So these 2 are most likely giveaway products. This particular item, as far as the skincare item, the second ingredient is niacinamide. So, you know, I could use this as a niacinamide serum, and that would be fine because it's got glycerin and then niacinamide. So, you know, in lieu of a niacinamide serum, you could use this. So it would be okay to replace your niacinamide serum with this. It would be fine. And that may be what I do. I may use this and use it up as a niacinamide serum. But, you know, would I pay this money for this whenever I could get niacinamide for, you know, 10, 12 bucks? No. You know, but because I have it, maybe I'll use it as a niacinamide serum. So those are my thoughts on my IPSY bag. There was some great finds in it. Have you gotten your IPSY bag? And my big question is, did it come with your add-ons? Mine did not. So I'm hoping that my add-ons show up, but I will be emailing IPSY. Again, what's going on, IPSY? Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and become part of the Unfiltered 50s family. Just hit that big red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. While you're there, give me a sub, like, and comment. I appreciate it. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.